I want to get you guys thinking in the way you kind of think in this course, which is not the way you think in a traditional mathematics course. So here's what I want you guys to do. And I want you to pair, if you want to pair off with friends, move around the room. I want you to think about this. And here it is. Here it is. Here's the question. Take that. Process this one real quick. This is, I'm sorry, you still reading. We're going to act it out later, minus the death part. These are the kind of questions people are now asking in interviews for certain jobs. The question is, how should you arrange the marbles to maximize your chance of living? That's the question. How would you arrange those 20 marbles? You got to use all 20. That's the only requirement. You have to use all 20. You can't like throw all the black ones away and just use the white ones. You've got to use all 10 black ones and all 10 white ones and arrange them in a certain way to maximize your chance of living at the end of the day. So what I want you guys to do is think about this. Don't use your damn smartphones to Google the answer to it. You probably can find this, but it's a fairly classic. It's one of the ones Google uses in their interview process. They do all kinds of fun questions like, suppose you were shrunken down to the size of a grape and thrown into a blender.
Oh, yeah.
And in 60 seconds, the blender is going to be turned on. How do you live?
You jump on top of the glass.
That's a Google interview question. Jump on top of the glass?
Well, that's what, isn't it Vince Vaughn and
yeah.
his internship?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's like,
did they use that question?
Oh, totally. And Vince Vaughn and Owen Wilson are like,
well, the answer is you jump out.
You jump out.
Yeah.
You jump out because if in the impossible situation that you were shrunk down and your density is maintained, which is one of the things the interviewer tells you, you could actually jump exponentially higher than you could were you full-sized. That's actually the correct answer, is to jump out of the blender. Nobody knows that. So what they want you to do is they want you to think through the process of, okay, I'd stand right in the middle where it spins like this, and then just be spun around for as long as the blades are on. That's great. Then the interviewer will go, what happens when you get dizzy and fall over? Then you go, well, I die. Let me think about it some more. So that's the idea of a question like this. So what I want you to do is mill about. I need some more water. I'm empty. So think about this. And then we're going to hear some ideas in like 5 or so minutes, huh? I'll come back, we'll reconvene. You can also just work with yourselves if you want to just think about it yourself. But by all means, move around. Yes, you two get together. Yes. Move around.